Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about the equation of a line. Okay? So yung objective natin dito, write the equation of a line given its slope and a point on the line. Write the equation of a line given 2 points on the line, and write the equation of the line given its slope and y-intercept. So, first is the slope-intercept form. Yung objective natin, write the equation of the line given its slope and a point on the line. Okay, so slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is the m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So write the equation of the line with slope or m equals 5 and y-intercept -3. Okay, so the slope-intercept form, that is y equals mx plus b. Okay, and then we have to replace in the m and b. So i-replace natin yung m ito at saka yung b. Okay, so yung m natin dito is 5, yung y-intercept is -3. So replace natin to si b ng -3. So magiging y equals 5x plus -3, or meron yang quantity dyan. So ano natin yan, i-simplify natin. So the final answer is y equals 5x minus 3. Kasi kapag i-multiply natin yung positive, multiply natin sa negative, that is negative. So final answer is y equals 5x minus 3 sa slope natin ng y equals mx plus b. Okay? Next, find the equation of the line through -2 and y, or yung x is -2, y is 7, with slope is equal to 3, or yung m natin is +3. Okay? So, take the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And then, we have to replace in y, m, at saka x. So, yung x natin dito is -2. Yung y is +7. At saka yung m is +3. So, i-replace natin si y equals mx plus b. So, magiging, yung y magiging 7. Yung m magiging 3x, di ba? So, yung m, replace natin yan into +3. Tapos, yung x naman is -2. Okay? Then, plus b. So, we have to solve for b. Solve natin yung b. So, that is 7 equals, multiply natin to. The result is -6 plus b. Then, transpose natin yan si -6. So, magiging 7 plus +6, or 7 plus 6 is equal to b. So, therefore, yung b natin dito is 13. Then, replace m, b, back into slope-intercept form. So, magiging y equals 3x plus 13. Ito na yung value ni b, si 13. Okay? Next, write an equation of the line through x is -1, y is 2, and 5 and 7. Yung first point is x is -1, y is 2. Yung second point, x is +5, y is 7. So, gagawin natin dito, first calculate the slope using the formula m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, pag i-substitute natin yan, okay, so that is 7 minus 2 over 5 minus the quantity of negative 1. So, yung final answer sa slope, that is 5 over 6. Okay, ngayon, plug in y, m, and x into slope-intercept form. Si y equals mx plus b. Okay? So, pili tayo, either x and y point. So, ito yung slope-intercept form natin, y equals mx plus b. So, select natin yung first point. Si x is negative 1, y is 2. So, that magiging, i-solve, i-ano lang natin konti ha. So, ito yung y natin, si 2, yan, ito yung y, ito yung x, negative 1. Diba? So, yung x natin is negative 1. So, negative 5 over 6 times 5 over 6 times negative 1. So, magiging negative 5 over 6 plus b. Ano kasi yan dyan eh. Equals negative 5 over 6 yan times negative 1 plus b. Okay? Multiply natin yan. 5 times negative 1. So, that is negative 5. Then, over 6 plus b. Then, simplify natin. So, transpose natin si negative 5 over 6 sa left side. So, magiging 2 plus 5 over 6 equals b. And then, b is equal to 17 over 6. So, bakit siya nagiging 17 over 6? Kasi kunin natin yung LCD niyan. Ito. Okay? So, yung LCD dito is 6. Okay? Di ba mayroong over 1 dyan? Si 2. So, 6 divided by 1 is 6 times 2 is 12. Diba? Then plus 6 divided by 6, 1. Ito. Divide natin yan. Tapos times natin kay 5. So, that is 5. So, 17 over 6. Okay? Next. Tuloy natin. So, i-replace naman natin back into slope-intercept form. Pag-replace niyan, magiging y equals 5 over 6 times x plus 17 over 6. So, only replace the m and b sa ating y-intercept form. So, yan lang po yung topic natin. At maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig. At sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.